Hey, how's it going, guys? Jay, that drain guy. We're up on a roof today and we got to snake out a roof drain that's been backing up. We're going to be using the rigid K9 204. It's good for 3 and 4 inch pipe, so we just got to find a way to get it up there. Now we got a ladder over there, but we got to throw something up on that roof so we can draw this up by rope. So we're gonna find something, we're gonna get all set up, and then I'll turn the camera back on. All right, guys, so we're up here on this roof. You can see it's underwater. Here's the drain right here. So this drain goes into the elevator control room, and this pipe runs across here, comes this way, and it actually ties into this stack. It Y's in the elevator control room. I'm gonna overlay a picture right now of how it runs. I took a video of it. So I'm gonna pull up the machine with a rope if I don't slip. So I had to throw this chunk of wood up here, and there's the machine down there. You can see, probably not. So I'm gonna pull it up and then we're gonna get set up. We're just gonna set you guys up here for now. Don't fall. Gloves. So this pipe in the room downstairs is 3 inch. All right. What I do, set you guys here. I should be having a harness up here. I recommend if you ever come up on a roof, have a harness. And here we go. There's the drain. slow process. With this being a roof drain, it's cast iron pipe and it's probably all corroded. I got calcium, or not calcium, rust buildup. I think we're hitting the spot. Yeah, starting to go. Got us a nice swirl there. We can actually hear it. So that's the sound of it draining. Oh, look at that. If you can see that water shooting out there, that's where it discharges to. Very cool. So now we're just going to watch it go down, make sure it goes down, and then we can get off this roof. Look at that swirl. That's awesome. This is the rigid flex shaft K209. This is for 3 and 4 inch pipe. Small roof, maybe a 12 by 12, but a lot of water volume. Most people don't understand how much volume is actually on, like when it's built up like this. Gallons and gallons, hundreds of gallons. You can still see that water pouring out. Full pipe over there. That's a 3 inch pipe. Really good sound. If you look at this roof over here, the drain is actually open, but all this water is still on the roof. So they actually have a bad slope on this roof. So they're gonna have to get the roofers up here to fix all this up. Like, this isn't good. This is gonna be seeping down and leaking into the elevator controls. I'm waiting to see how this roof does, if it's holding water as well. Like, if it was properly roofed, like sealed properly, it shouldn't leak. But over time, that volume of water, it's just not gonna, this roof, the seal's not gonna hold. So they will have to get that fixed up. really like this machine, the rigid flex shaft. I think it comes in handy when you definitely need it. Up here, I got no power up here. I could run extension cords and everything like that, but I don't want to have cords running through this water. So where it's battery powered with the drill, everything works good. No cords, no nothing. So it does look like there's still going to be holding water. There's still quite a bit of water on this roof. I think I'm going to give this one more snake. Yeah, it's going through really clear now. I believe I'm actually going down the stack. So I'm going to see if I can get it to pop out. All right. If you look down there where the water's coming out, let's see if I can get a better view. I actually got my cable to go, the flex shaft cable to go right outside that pipe. So you can see the red cable right there. So we're gonna pull it out and we're good to go. So we still got this draining a little bit, but you can see there's still lots of water on this roof. So like there's definitely some deep points, and that was put up on an incline. They should have had that kind of over here in the middle. Same thing with that one. The deepest part is in the middle. Whoever did this roof or set up this drain definitely did it wrong. So we're gonna go down and I'll do my outro. I may have to snake that drain down there because it looks like it's backing up, but we'll see what happens when we get down there. It may just be draining slow because of the volume of water. So let's get down there and take a look at it. All right guys, so that's where we were. This is the pipe that it came out. And this is the drain here. There's just some garbage built up. Just get all these bits of garbage that pile up around the edge. Get feathers, leaves, basically anything that can blow up here or that contractors left up here that will float. Zip ties. And there you go. All right guys, thanks for watching the video. I really do appreciate it. I hope you guys liked it. Till next time, this has been Jay That Drain Guy signing out. Taragna.